Good morning students. I am going to continue chapter 4 part number 38. Today we will discuss about digital footprint. So let's start. What is digital footprint? I will tell you. Footprint you all know, but what is digital footprint? Digital footprint. Okay, this is our topic. Footprint is the impression left by a foot or shoe on the ground or a surface, that is called as a footprint. So what is digital footprint in a computer language? So a digital footprint is the impression or information about a person that exists only on the internet. So that is called as a digital footprint. Due to his online activity, whatever the online activity is done through internet, that comes under the digital footprint. So I will write down the definition of digital footprint. Digital footprint is the impression. It is the impression or information about a person that exists, about the person that exists on the internet. Because of his online activity. Because of his online activity. Okay, so hope it is clear. What is digital footprint? It is the impression or information about any particular person that exists on the internet because of his online activity. What are the activity is done through a person through the internet, that comes under the digital footprint. So it is a piece of information or any type of impression that exists on the internet. This is the information transmitted only, like example I am giving you just at the time of filling the registration form. So I will give you some example. Just like any person is filling the registration form. So whatever the information is loaded here, that comes under digital footprint. Registration form. Another example is just like online shopping. Online shopping. Uploading videos. Etc. So these are the examples of the digital footprints. Okay, some different types of images, videos, shopping or any type of registration form which is done through the online or through internet of any type of online activity, that comes under the digital footprint. Okay, now I will tell you what is digital dossier. The another name of the digital footprint is digital dossier. So digital footprint is also called as a digital dossier. Okay. Now I will tell you that digital footprint can be categorized into two parts. Digital footprint can be categorized into active and passive traces. Active and passive traces. Okay. So digital footprints can be categorized into two parts: active traces and passive traces. So first of all, I will tell you what do you mean by active traces. First one is active traces. traces which the user leaves intentionally by any particular intention. If the user leaves any type of information, that is called as the active traces. So I will write down the active ones are those data traces. The active one are those data traces which the user leaves intentionally. Hope it is clear. This meaning, the active are those data traces which the user leaves intentionally, that are known as active data traces. Okay? Just like email chats, Facebook, blogs, these are our different ways of giving our own particular personal information. Okay? Now the next is passive data traces. Active data traces and second is passive data traces. Passive data traces connected to an individual. It is connected to an individual. This is connected to an individual, are generated by others, or gathered through the user's online activities, through the user's online activities without his knowledge. This is done by intentionally, but here without his knowledge. So this is the difference between the active and the passive. Without his or without user's knowledge. Okay? Without user's knowledge, not his, user's knowledge. Clear? Few activities which create passive data traces, including just like surfing the sites, searching information, online shopping. So these all are the passive data traces. Okay? Hope it is clear. So once again I will repeat, what is digital footprint? It is the impression or any type of information about the person that exists on the internet because of his online activity. It can be categorized into two parts, active data traces and passive data traces. Active means the data traces which the user leaves intentionally, and passive means it is connected to an individual, are generated by others or gathered through the user's online activities without his or her knowledge. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.